Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a clip covering a forex pair, that's the British pound US dollar, and another index, important index traded in the US. I am covering on a regular basis in my service, my daily service. I'm covering a whole host of markets. I'm covering the entire commodity sector with many contracts, and I'm going through a lot of details. I'm covering dozens of forex pairs, not every day, but you can be sure that when I see an opportunity, I'm not leaving it on the sidelines and not keeping it to myself. I immediately share it with you. We went through a fairly interesting analysis of several indicators this past week that I shared with my subscribers. I think we got some good insights. I'm also covering the main indices, the stock market indices around the world, and I'm open to suggestions. So my subscribers have a continuous flow of ideas, unlike other services that focus on a specific area of trading, either just forex or just commodities or just the stock market. Not only the subscribers lose the impact of the global picture, which is immensely important, but in addition, sometimes you don't have to they say that the very good opportunities just jump off the screen, and that is easier when you follow a lot of markets actively, and that is the case in my service. So if you like to give a chance to my service to try it for 1 week, there is an option that really doesn't cost much, just €9.99. It will give you access to the service. I'll give more details after the clip ends, so if you're interested, please stay on. For the rest of you, I wish you have a great week and good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome, this is Roy. A few general observations first. I think that in the currency market we are likely to see the dollar continuing to weaken. Maybe not in a dramatic fashion, but still remaining fairly weak. Also the precious metals, I see them continuing to strengthen. Copper, the industrial metal, actually signaling weakness ahead. The oil market, I think that here, if we are looking higher, that is most likely to be taken with pretty much a cautious approach, as I think that the risks are increasing for a very sharp correction in the energy market. The bonds are signaling a possibility for a continuation of the rally that we have seen this week. If we get some break of recent minor support, that will confirm that in fact the correction, we are dealing with a correction that might last another week, but then the bonds will continue lower. Stock market, we have some interesting situation here, and I think that within the next the first 2-3 days of trading next week, we may have actually a pretty important signal as to the likely price action in the following weeks. I will discuss the exact levels as I go through the video, and I'll be looking also at one grain, the soybean meal here, but in general I think the grains apart from corn still looks fairly strong. I think the grains are for now short term looking lower. Okay, so here's the long list of charts. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Swiss franc, US dollar, Swedish krona, British pound US dollar, gold, silver, high grade copper, Brent crude, gasoline, light crude, the CRB index, and then the euro bond. I'll be looking at a specific contract, the May 2011, and also at the continuous chart, so we have big picture view. The same with long yields and the USD bond. I'll have a look also at FVX, that's the 5-year interest rate note chart, and then the S&P 500 and S&P 400, the Dow, the BKX, that's the banking sector. I'll have a look at the FTSE, at the DAX, and I'll terminate the video with a look at soybean meal. Okay, that's the pound US dollar. Pound US dollar. daily scale going back to August, and this is the first time we get multiple closes above the black line. We had the same thing here, but that was not in the context of a pattern that is a triangle and is likely looking higher. And this is the first time we are getting this. Is a pretty it's almost twice the amount of closes we had here. Many closes, and that is 120 minutes, 27th of March. That's a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and I think that that appears to me like a fourth wave ongoing. I was talking the other day of possibly taking the fourth wave ending here with this being a 1-2. That's possible. The thing is that if it starts, if this is a 1-2, that is almost on a scale of the major trend here that we are taking. So I think it's more sensible to take all of that as the fourth wave, and that of course hinges on the notion that the pound is not going to come and break this blue line. Breaking the blue line, forget it. This one wants to go lower. We may have seen here 3, 4, 5 failure or something, and this is an ABC. Whatever it wants to go lower, it will go a lot lower, at least to 159.50. Okay, that's the BKX. After all these bullish comments, you may find it odd that I suddenly talk about the very bearish situation here with BKX, but to be truthful to what I see in terms of the technical picture, I've got to point out to you that the BKX is looking in bad shape. This is the daily going back to December 2009. That's 108, 2OB. That's an ABC still intact, and it's something that I've covered in the past. We have here an ADX signal, market going lower, the ADX spending several weeks under both, and if it starts running up this pink line, that is a very good signal. We are going to see a sustained move, most likely to the downside, if it continues to respect these levels. And here is my thinking about it. I think that is a first leg down. That's an ABC, and this one is shaping up as a good build-up of 5 legs in action. Take a look at the 60 minutes. That is a 1, 2, 3. Sorry, they all move when I change the scale. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 1. That's an ABC right here. That's 2. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or might have all of that as a third. In short, this is a triangle looking lower. This market is looking lower. Looking lower, I would say with a retest of this floor, when this one doesn't hold, we might have an acceleration down. My website. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. it is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions. That's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.